I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you.
Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your trusted channel for detailed automotive reviews, the latest car news, and expert insights into everything on four wheels. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a buyer researching your next vehicle, or just love keeping up with the auto industry, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the upcoming Honda City 2026, a sedan that continues to evolve as one of the most reliable and stylish options in the compact segment. We'll take a closer look at its expected features, design updates, performance improvements, and why it remains a top choice for both families and daily commuters. The Honda City has long been known for its elegant design and practical appeal, and the 2026 model is expected to take that legacy further. From what we know so far, the exterior will likely get a sleeker, more refined appearance, drawing inspiration from Honda's global design language. Sharper LED headlamps, a bolder front grille, and a more aerodynamic profile are anticipated to give the new City a more modern and upscale look. The rear end is also expected to feature redesigned tail lamps and subtle styling enhancements that make it feel more premium while maintaining its identity. Inside, the Honda City 2026 is expected to deliver a significant upgrade in terms of comfort, technology, and overall user experience. The cabin will likely feature soft-touch materials, an updated dashboard design, and a more spacious layout that improves passenger comfort. A larger touchscreen infotainment system is expected, possibly in the 9 to 10-inch range, with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda may also include a digital instrument cluster in higher trims, along with advanced connectivity features and premium audio options to enhance the in-car experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda City is rumored to come with both traditional petrol and hybrid powertrain options. The standard model will likely feature a 1.5-liter IVTEC engine known for its smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency. For those looking for better mileage and a greener footprint, Honda could expand its hybrid offering, possibly integrating the HEV system, which has gained popularity in other markets. This dual-motor hybrid setup provides a good balance of performance and fuel economy, making it ideal for urban driving and long-distance travel alike. When it comes to safety, Honda is expected to equip the City 2026 with an expanded suite of advanced safety and driver assist features. The inclusion of Honda Sensing, which bundles features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, and collision mitigation braking, is likely for top variants. Alongside these, expect standard features such as multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera, ensuring peace of mind for all passengers. The ride and handling of the City have always been a strong point, and the 2026 model will likely retain its composed dynamics and comfortable suspension setup. Honda's engineers typically strike a good balance between city maneuverability and highway stability, and that formula should continue with the upcoming release. Improvements in NVH noise, vibration, and harshness levels may also contribute to a more refined driving experience. As for pricing, while official figures have not yet been released, the 2026 Honda City is expected to remain competitive within the compact sedan segment. With the added technology and features, a modest price increase is likely, but it will still aim to offer strong value for money compared to its rivals. Whether you're looking for daily practicality, stylish looks, or advanced tech, the City continues to be a smart choice. Thank you for watching Motors Sports Mania. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay up to date with the latest automotive releases, features, and expert insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us bring you more great content from the world of automobiles.